Welcome back to my Bake Escape. This week I decided to make coconut and almond granola. If you've never made granola, you should definitely try it. It is easy to make and very delicious. All right, let's get started. For this recipe, you will need old-fashioned oats, almonds, I used unsweetened shredded coconut, brown sugar, honey, coconut oil, vanilla, and salt. Start by combining the wet ingredients, which consist of brown sugar, honey, coconut oil, vanilla extract, and salt. Give that a quick mix. Next, combine the dry ingredients. So to the oats, I added the almonds and shredded coconut. Quickly mix that together. And then you're going to combine the wet with the dry. This can be very sticky, and so I decided to put on some gloves. You want to mix this until all of the oats and almonds are covered in that delicious sugar honey mixture. And then you're going to go ahead and spread this out into a cookie sheet. I lined it with parchment paper. You want to try to spread this out as evenly as possible. Bake this at 300 degrees for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what the granola looks like. I like to bring in the edges and kind of mix it together. You can see the edges here have browned a little bit. So after mixing, spread it out again and place it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. After another 15 minutes, look at how much darker it has gotten. It's almost there, but it still needs a little bit more time. So again, mix this together, spread it out, raise the temperature of the oven to 350 degrees, and bake this for another 6 to 8 minutes. What I wanted to make with this granola was a bowl of yogurt with the fresh granola. And with the yogurt, I wanted some fresh strawberries and blueberries. So I rinsed all of the berries and went ahead and prepped them for my yogurt bowl. The granola baked for another 8 minutes and it is perfectly golden brown. I went ahead and gave it another quick mix and let it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. I like to use non-fat Greek yogurt. It's very thick and creamy. But what I wanted to do today was to flavor it with a little bit of vanilla extract and some honey just to sweeten it a little. The granola has cooled and hardened a little. You'll see that it's kind of clumped up and it is perfect. So go ahead and give it a quick little toss, and it's time to assemble my yogurt bowl. The granola turned out delicious. It's crunchy, but still a little soft, and it's perfectly flavored. It pairs well with this yogurt and berries today. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. And if you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and have a sweet day.